Alexa, room lights on. So, good morning everyone. How are you guys doing this Saturday morning? Me, I am doing so great, so good. Alexa, room lights 100%. There you go. So, Saturday, I know, like I told you, I haven't vlogged much, and I won't be vlogging every single day like I used to do because, you know, I have a busy life. That's why it is. Before I used to vlog a lot, but now it's like I get out from work, I just come home, I'm tired when I go sleep, and I don't do much. I haven't done much this summer actually. I haven't even ride my bicycle. I did ride my bicycle in once. I need to start doing it. But winter is coming, but still, I'll do it. I think today we're gonna go to Chicago. So today is gonna be a great, just a great day. Oh yes. Okay, so here we are in Chicago. Actually, these clothes are good. If I had extra clothes, I would go there. Feels so good, but I don't want to get wet right now. So refreshing. I feel like getting wet now. Look at the little kids. That's very nice. Okay, folks. So here we are at the ping again. We have a nice weather today, actually. Very, very nice weather. I'm liking it. Hope that the good thing is not too hot. There's a lot of people here. Woo.
Eso es famoso.
Okay, ducks. So now we are at the fountain. Buckingham Fountain, I think it is called. I don't remember. I've been living here for a long time, but I don't know the name. I think that's the name. It's very cool. I'm hungry. What time is it? 11:43. Who?
Ay Dios, con mi mamá ahorita fuimos a hacer el camino. Bueno, allá ella no camina mucho,
Feels so good here. It's nice and fresh. Look at those cars. Those are a Ferrari and a Rolls Royce. It's very cool. Nice cars. You heard that? That sounds good. Okay, dogs. Sweet home. That was a nice trip to the city. You know, even though we live here, we don't go to the city as much because it's a chaos to go there, too much traffic. It was good. So there's this game that I'm been playing. Guys, let me show you again. It's a rabbit. It's called The Walking Dead. Let me see. Come on. What's wrong with this? There. Actually, my sister was playing it when I went to New York, and then I was like, oh, there's another Walking Dead game. So I was like, I'm gonna download it. So it's kind of like so addictive. It's like Pokemon Go actually, because it goes according to where you live. You walk around finding zombies to kill. which is cool, right? Because Pokemon, I got tired of Pokemon, so it's very nice. So today is Sunday? No, today is Saturday. What? Well, I thought today was Sunday. That's crazy. Oh my god. Today was a good day. I went to Chicago with my family, and next Saturday I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. Not sure, but it was a good day today. Very, very good day. It's time for me to go sleep, so don't forget to give me thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check the from yesterday, the previous vlog right here. So see you tomorrow, and you see me tomorrow as well. Stu, sings out.